The young leaves of the guava tree are carefully brewed to make a magical tea that contains active ingredients that significantly helps with weight loss. You can also make guava leaf tea by soaking or steeping the leaves in hot water and enjoy the following benefits. 1. Reduce belly fat. Looking to shed some extra pounds around your belly? Well, drink guava leaves tea or juice regularly and wait for impressive results. Guava leaves help prevent complex carbs from converting to sugars, which promote fat burning, especially around the tummy. 2. Helps with digestion. Guava leaf tea helps improve your digestion, one of the main reasons why you may find it difficult to lose weight. When you feel too bloated or have slow digestion, drinking guava leaf tea can help regulate metabolism in your body. It can also aid the secretion of digestive enzymes. 3. Lowers cholesterol. Guava leaves significantly help in lowering your cholesterol levels. In an article published in Nutrition and Metabolism, participants who drank guava leaf tea reported lower cholesterol levels in 8 short weeks. 4. Improves your heart health. Guava leaf extracts have been linked to a decrease in LDL cholesterol and an increase in HDL cholesterol. This improves your heart health and reduces the risk of blood pressure. 5. Relieves stress. Guava leaves can help you calm down and relax. The tea works wonders when you're stressed, which is a significant contributor to weight gain. Besides, it can improve the quality of your sleep, giving your body enough time to rest. And if you're seriously looking for a fast and natural weight loss solution, then I recommend you to click the link in the description, healthfitnessplanet.com/weightloss. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and share with your friends on Facebook, Twitter, and Pinterest. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.